Apple's iPhone 12 event is just around the corner, but I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and there are quite a few things that I like about this that I'm going to be missing on the iPhone. I'm Andrew Martinick with Digital Trends, and these are the 5 things that I'm loving on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that I'll be missing on the iPhone 12 Pro. Samsung uses a high refresh rate display on all of its phones in 2020, and the Note 20 Ultra has a dynamic refresh rate display that can go all the way up to 120 Hz. That's double the 60 Hz display that's expected on the iPhone 12. Now, it's really hard to show this on camera, but trust me, once you see it in person, you won't want to go back to a regular display, and Apple knows this. It puts 120 Hz refresh rate display on its iPad Pros. It just won't be in the iPhone 12. Another part of that display experience is having small bezels and a small camera cutout like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Apple always has big bezels around its screen, and it has a big cutout at the top for the Face ID sensors. Now, I love Face ID, but maybe Samsung has something going for it with its small bezels, its tiny little front-facing camera cutout, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Apple has had a telephoto or zoom camera in the iPhone for a long time now, but it's not really telephoto. It's only 2x or maybe 3x, but the Note 20 Ultra has a 5x optical zoom that then reaches out with digital zoom on top of that for up to 50x zoom. It makes a considerable difference in the camera experience. You don't have to worry about reaching out maybe across the street. You can reach out across town with the Note 20 Ultra zoom camera. Everybody came to love wireless charging when it debuted in the iPhone, but Samsung has been doing fast wireless charging for years, and now it actually goes the next level and has reverse wireless charging. You can lay down a smartwatch or another accessory, or heck, even another iPhone on the back of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and charge it wirelessly. Now, it's a little bit slow, but in a pinch, it works really well, and you can imagine that an Apple Watch charging on the back of an iPhone would be an amazing ad for Apple. Now, the last thing that I'll be missing from the Note 20 Ultra is the thing that gives it its name, the S Pen stylus. Apple is never going to put a stylus in an iPhone, but I'm still gonna miss it. Being able to precisely write and draw on this big screen on the Note 20 Ultra makes all the difference in productivity. And Apple users know this, but just with the Apple Pencil on the iPad. Those are the 5 main features I'm definitely going to be missing in the iPhone 12 Pro when I have to give up this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Be sure to let us know in the comments what features you're going to be missing if you switch to the iPhone 12, or if you're just going to skip it altogether. Be sure to stick with digitaltrends.com for all of Apple's announcements, including the iPhone 12 series, so we can look at how it compares to Samsung's latest phones.